Welcome to our channel. This video will cover the topic of graphic design for beginners, no prior experience needed. Welcome to the world of graphic design. In this tutorial, we will introduce you to the basics of graphic design, even if you have no prior experience. Whether you want to create stunning visuals for your personal projects or explore a new career path, this video will provide you with the essential knowledge and skills to kickstart your journey in graphic design. Welcome to our tutorial on graphic design for beginners. In this video, we will cover all the fundamentals and provide you with the necessary tools to start creating stunning designs. Whether you're a complete novice or have some basic knowledge, this tutorial is tailored to help you take your first steps in the exciting world of graphic design. Why choose graphic design? Graphic design is a powerful medium for communication. It allows you to visually convey messages, ideas, and emotions through typography, imagery, and layout. From creating logos and websites to designing posters and advertisements, graphic design can be applied to various fields and industries. Getting started with graphic design. Before we dive into the technical aspects, let's understand the core principles of graphic design. It's crucial to grasp the concepts of color theory, composition, balance, and typography. These elements will form the foundation of your designs. Color theory. Color plays a vital role in graphic design. Understanding the psychology behind colors and their combinations is essential. Learn about primary, secondary, and tertiary colors, as well as color harmonies, such as complementary and analogous colors. Composition and balance. Composition refers to how various elements are arranged within a design. Achieving balance and harmony is crucial to creating aesthetically pleasing visuals. Discover the rule of thirds, the golden ratio, and other compositional techniques to create effective designs. Typography. Typography is the art of arranging typefaces in a visually appealing and readable manner. Explore different font families, understand the principles of hierarchy, and learn how to pair fonts effectively to create engaging designs. Essential graphic design tools. Now that we understand the basics, it's time to introduce you to essential graphic design tools. While professional software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign are commonly used, there are also free alternatives available for beginners, such as Canva and GIMP. Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is widely regarded as the industry standard for image editing and manipulation. Discover the various tools and features available, including layers, selection tools, filters, and text editing. Adobe Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator is primarily used for creating vector graphics. Dive into the world of scalable artwork, explore different shapes, paths, and anchor points, and learn how to create stunning illustrations and logos. Adobe InDesign. Adobe InDesign is the go-to software for layout design, particularly for print media. Learn how to arrange images and texts in multi-page layouts, explore typography options, and export your designs for print or digital publishing. Practical projects to enhance skills. Learning by doing is the key to gaining practical experience in graphic design. We will guide you through a series of projects that gradually increase in complexity, allowing you to enhance your skills and build an impressive portfolio. Creating a logo. Logos are an essential part of a brand's identity. We will take you step by step through the process of creating a memorable logo using simple shapes, typography, and meaningful symbolism. Designing a web banner. Web banners are widely used for online advertising. We will show you how to design eye-catching banners using color schemes, typography, and impactful imagery to effectively capture attention and convey a message. Crafting a poster. Posters are a fantastic medium for expressing creativity and promoting events. Join us in creating visually striking posters by incorporating imagery, typography, and layout techniques to capture the essence of the event. Congratulations! You have now completed our graphic design tutorial for beginners. With the knowledge gained, you can now explore further the world of graphic design, experiment with different styles, and continue building your skills. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with dedication, you can become a proficient graphic designer.